Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the sound. This sound is usually represented by this symbol, but it's also known as the schwa sound. Can you make the sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth a little bit. Next, don't stretch the sides of your lips. Finally, make a sound in your throat. Let's put those steps together. Are you ready? Now let's practice a few words with the sound. Listen and repeat after me. Here we go. Balloon. Below. Pencil. Dinosaur. Circus. Any unstressed vowel can be pronounced with the schwa sound. For example, it can be spelled with the letter A as in balloon, E as in below, I as in pencil, O as in dinosaur, and U as in circus. Great job! Well done! Ellii.